Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're looking to clean up your ALIPAY account or simply want to delete a Visa card that you no longer use, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. Open the ALIPAY app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the profile icon, which is typically located at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. In your profile menu, you'll see various options. Look for a section called Payment Methods or Bank Cards. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored. Tap on this option to view your linked cards. Step 3. You'll now see a list of all the Visa cards and other payment methods connected to your ALIPAY account. Find the specific Visa card you want to remove from the list. Step 4. Once you've located the card, tap on it to open the card details. You should see options for managing this payment method. Look for a button that says Delete, Remove, or Unbind. Step 5. Confirm your action by tapping the Delete button. The system might ask you to verify your identity through a password or authentication method for security purposes. Complete this verification, and your Visa card will be successfully removed from your ALIPAY account.